Hello guys, welcome back with me.
Today we're going to talk about lyrics to song with vocal that we can process locally using even 10 GB of VRAM. That is your GitHub page. For low memory, we have two options.
For this video, we will use YueGP, so access the YueGP.
Yue is a groundbreaking series of open-source foundation models designed for music generation, specifically for transforming lyrics into full songs, lyrics to song. It can generate a complete song lasting several minutes that includes both a catchy vocal track and complementary accompaniment, ensuring a polished and cohesive result. Yue is capable of modeling diverse genres vocal styles. YueGP is the lower version of Yue that can generate lyrics to song with less VRAM. Now let's install YueGP. First, you need to have Git and conda to install this. Also, you need to have FuDA. How to install them, I put a video tutorial link on description. From YueGP GitHub, search for installation instruction. There you found a script. Open your command prompt. Access the directory where you want to install YueGP. Copy-paste the script onto command prompt. That will clone and download or the required file for installation. After this process finished, open your conda. Create a new virtual environment with this script conda create c conda-forge pp of venv Python 3.11. This will create virtual environment for Python 3.11. After that, activate your conda using conda activate venv directory. So you need to use mini conda or other conda to access this application. Next is to install torch and requirement. Make sure you do this after you activate the virtual environment. Just copy-paste the pip install torch and the pip install requirement. Wait until it finished. Next, we're going to install flash attention if you use QRIS 12x, that is. This will take hours to do. In my own machine, I think it take more than 3 hours. Use the pip install flash does a T10. This part is important since if you use low VRAM, you will met a lot of error if you're not using this. Now after this long wait, we will try activate this thing without doing step 4. To activate this, go to Performance Profiles, search profile that match your VRAM. In my case, I use profile 1 since I have 16 gigs of VRAM. Just copy-paste the script into your conda to run it. Now you will met this screen. In genre, you need to write 5 components: genre, instrument, mood, gender, and timbre. All 5 should be included if possible, separated by spaces. The values of timbre should include vocal. In lyrics, you need to add our verse or chorus under outro before the paragraph like in this example, or else it will not be recognized and produce error. In number of sequence, it tell the program how many paragraph that you want to use. The default is 2. The more paragraph you select, the more VRAM that it will use. Number of sequence per token means how long music for each sequence is. 1000 token equal 10 second. The default is 3000 token. The more token you use, the more VRAM it going to takes. Seeds is like what affect the randomness of the result. So with the same setting and same seed, you will always have the same result. Now here an example, click generate to process. Here are the result.
The work from the eastern lands, rallying against the nefarious ones, admitting with the last alliance met, without the free capital from the evil shroud. So the forces were one, their minds divided, as if they marched like each leaderless, and not long after they fought among themselves, for profit they sought.
The result is very good, but it will only use 2 paragraphs since I only select 2 sequence. And it take 1360 second to generate 40-second music. Now let's try do step 4 by copy-paste the model and generation from the transformer YueGP folder to the transformer of site package of the virtual environment. Now let's try generate song again. Here are the result.
In the beginning there was darkness. The darkness lived alone for eons. Suffering in solitude for so long a time, the darkness finally shed a tear. From this tear, 2 govers were born, Sword and Shield. Sword bragged that he could cut anything to pieces, and that Shield answered that nothing could ever harm him.
Well, the result is quite fast, 41 second for 556 second. But since I use a strange lyrics and a bad genre, the model failed to create music for it. So be very careful when making the genre. You could refer to 200 tags that are often used by accessing this JSON file in the GitHub, that is YueGP top 200 tags. Here is another test for the same prompt, but with different lyrics.
Sparkle in your eyes, making me wonder if this is paradise.
Oreo, my sunshine, sprinkles falling from above, making every second feel like a crazy love. We're dancing in the kitchen, singing off-key tunes, with you by my side under sunny afternoons. We built a fort of blankets, watched a silly show. Shut a bag of candy, let the good times flow. You like a summer breeze, a sweet melody, but that's kind of feeling just you and me.
We built a fort of blankets, watched a silly show. Shared a bag of candy, let the good times flow. You're like a summer breeze, a sweet melody, the best kind of feeling, just you and me. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode, and have a nice day.